Nature's Healing TV presents 12 powerful leaves everyone should know. That some of the most powerful healing solutions are not in hospitals, but growing quietly around you, Leaves you pass every day, leaves your grandparents trusted, leaves modern science is only beginning to understand. Today, you will discover 12 powerful healing leaves that can transform your health, boost your immunity, and restore your body naturally. Watch till the end because number 10 and number 12 may change your life. Welcome to Nature's Healing TV, where nature heals and man treats. If you believe in natural healing, divine wisdom, and practical solution, subscribe now and turn on notification because our health may depend on it. For generations across Africa, Asia, and beyond, healing leaves have been used to cleanse the blood, fight infection, restore energy, and strengthen immunity. Today, we'll bring you 12 of the most powerful. 1. Bitter leaf. Bitter leaf, don't let the bitterness deceive you. This leaf is a powerhouse for detoxification. It helps to cleanse the liver and supports blood sugar control, fight infections like malaria, and boost digestion. Best taken early in the morning for a full cleansing effect. 2. Siam leaf. Siam leaf is known as the hospital beside the house. It stops bleeding fast and speeds up wound healing and fights harmful bacteria in emergencies. This leaf has saved life. 3. Betel leaf. Betel leaf, a sacred leaf in many cultures. It fights respiratory infections and improves digestion and supports oral health. Number 4. Neem leaf. Neem leaf, the village pharmacy, a wonderful blood purifier, a fighter against malaria, and the healer for the skin. Very potent. Use in moderation. 5. Guava leaf. Guava leaf, small but mighty, stops diarrhea fast, supports weight balance, and regulates blood sugar. Number 6. Moringa leaf. Moringa leaf, the miracle tree, a nutritional powerhouse, boosts blood levels, strengthens immunity, and fights fatigue. Number 7. Scent leaf. Scent leaf, a kitchen favorite and a healing giant, perfect for cough, cold, and digestive support. Number 8. Fluted pumpkin leaf or ugu leaf. Pumpkin leaf builds blood and boosts energy and strengthens the heart. Number 9. Papaya leaf or pawpaw leaf. Papaya leaves, one of the nature's most powerful remedies, fights malaria, supports the liver, and boosts platelet levels. Number 10. Water leaf. Water leaf, gentle yet deeply healing, hydrates the body, supports kidneys health, and cools internal heat. Wow! Underrated but powerful. Number 11. Lemongrass. Lemongrass, a healer for both body and mind. Reduces stress, aids digestion, and detoxifies the system. Finally, number 12. Uziza leaf. called West African black pepper leaf, one of the most powerful traditional leaves. Boosts immunity and improves circulation and restores strength. With all this, we can boldly say that nature has always provided for humanity. The question is, will we return to it? Nature, where the journey started with our grandparents who lived happily, healthy, having a longer lifespan. They never experience the chronic conditions that are erupting all around us today. These leaves are not just plants, they are life to those who cling to it, and they are getting the best out of it, saving their lives, saving their money, saving stress, practically embracing the wonders of these leaves left for us brings about happiness as well as confidence in all that you do. These teachings are not fictions, they are real. At the initial stage, you will feel scared, but I tell you, the experiences of these leaves, when you get into it, oh, it's wow. The healing power and the confidence it will build in you that you will bounce back. Yeah, bitter leaf might be very scary because of the bitterness, but I tell you, by the time you have taken it, 2 3 weeks, you will begin to embrace the bitterness. You won't believe it. I have bitter leaf this very morning, and each week it blesses my soul. I am not teaching what I am not part of. Nevertheless, remember to consult your doctor or your specialist before all this. I've been a missionary to various countries, being beaten down by malaria, typhoid, and all forms of fever. Well, when I knew about bitter leaf, papaya leaf, and water leaf, it has blessed my soul. There are many things to talk about as we continue in this very video. Very much will come your way on this very channel. We are talking about practical things because in the mission field, we have amazing testimonies going on as a result of these leaves. These ones are not just stories. We are talking about life testimonies, which we will also bring to you in our subsequent videos coming on this channel. You are going to be wowed about these leaves. Rather than making histories and dossiers about them, you will embrace them. Don't just go through this and still relax. Make this your friend. You will love yourself and you love nature, and you will also love the works of our medical practitioners who have not left us out. The doctors, the hospital, the pharmacies, they are laboring night and day to save lives. I repeat again, these leaves are not just plants. They are healing. They are restoration. They are happiness. Embrace them. By the way, lest I forget, which of these leaves have you used before? Tell us in the comment. Share this video because someone somewhere may read this and be stirred up. Remember, someone somewhere may need this to heal. But as we are teaching it, it looks like a story. I could remember in the field an old mama that was left alone. She had nobody to take care of her. And because of all the problems all over her, she was rejected by the hospital as they had tried their best. But you know what? She was brought to the field. We never had money to go buying any kind of special help to offer. It was through these leaves and through these fruits, nuts, that they were healed. Wow. So subscribe to Nature's Healing TV and go through all their recipes, their testimonies, which will be handy, and you are sure good to return to nature. Remember, pregnant women and people with medical conditions should seek the guidance of their doctors or medical professionals before practicing this.